and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to be doing a wet perm rod set. I haven't done one of these in so long and I'm kind of excited about it. I feel like I'm about to be cute. I don't know though. I don't know. Okay, so if you see anything furry right here in this area, it's Sky. Say hi, Sky. Say hi. Honey, say hi. Say hi to the people. They're right there. Say hi to the people. She got a haircut, y'all. So she's no longer fluffy Sky. She's like a poodle. So she's acting like a baby. So she right here. So if you see her, sorry about that. So I've already washed my hair. I've washed and conditioned. I've deep conditioned. And I also went ahead and added my leave-in. And I added the kinky curly knot today. I've been obsessed with this stuff ever since I bought it. Look, friend. I have used a lot of this. I feel like I need a bigger pump or something. Like, can I get more of this? I'm tired of these little bottles. Can I get some up? But anywho, so I went ahead and added that out of the shower. I parted my hair into 4 sections and then I cut those in half. So then it gave me 8 sections. And I went ahead and Bantu knotted it because I wanted the process to be a lot faster for me to just speed on through these. I'm going to be using the orange perm rods in the back, the like peach perm rods in the front. Am I the only person that likes to keep their perm rods in Ziplocs? I think it's nice and organized. It's how I store my perm rods. Anywho, so those are the perm rods I'm going to be using. So let's just get right into it. I am only using one product. I just got it and it is the dough. This is the Most Def texture foam. I've heard really good things about this foam for wash and goes. However, I'm not trying to do that right now, and I have used it on a wash and go, but kind of had to like rig it up a little bit. But anywho, I am going to be using this only for this set. Basically, I'm only using the kinky curly knot today. I applied it in the shower, and I also went ahead and took some of the moisture out by using like a microfiber towel. All I did was like squeeze it out, and I've detangled my hair, and I made sure that I detangle my hair throughout the entire process, throughout me shampooing and stuff, because this is the style you do not want to finger detangle to get to. You really want to brush it out to have a smooth out curl, and we're gonna get into that. Now we're gonna go ahead and start in the back. I'm gonna start right here. My hair is super moisturized, friend. I'm just gonna part a little section out in the back. I probably get 3 rods out of this. So I'm gonna clip this up. So now that I have my smaller section, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some foam. This is what it looks like. Regular old foam, friend. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. This actually feels like a good foam. I can see it's like smoothing out my hair, you know, doing its job. So I'm just gonna brush that through. And I'm using my Felicia Leatherwood brush because I really like it. It doesn't really snag my hair like that. Make sure you brush it out, smooth it down, and pull. Now I have some shorter hairs back here, so that's always my dilemma when I'm in the back. It's just trying to make sure I get those in. And what you want to do, you want to take your perm rod and you want to start from where the little clacky thing is. That. You want to start with that side. And you want to wrap the ends of your hair around it and then just start rolling up. However, make sure you are pulling, not too tight where you pull out your hair or anything, but just tautly enough for this to be really smooth. And I have to grab these hairs back here as well, y'all. So I can't start doing that twirling thing until all of my hair is smooth around. Now I can go ahead and add that hair, smooth that around. Make sure you really secure that. And then you're gonna pull tightly, hold this part. Make sure that the hair that you rolled is only on this part, especially if you got longer hair, because you need more rod to roll, okay? So I just make sure I smooth that around. And I hold it with my thumb like this. And I also hold the hair and I just start to twirl while also pulling the hair kind of tight, you know. And now you just want to go ahead and secure. Just take the other clacky thing and pull it around and secure. And that is 1 perm rod. And that's all, friend. And you really want to just continue this exact same process over and over and over. I'm gonna zoom my camera in so that you guys can really see what I'm doing. All right, y'all. So I think we're close enough. This is my hair. Only leave-in applied. Now I want to go ahead and brush it with the Felicia Leatherwood. Make sure that you really detangle your hair really well, because you do not want your hair to be all lumpy when you get to this part, because it's just gonna slow you down. So I'm just applying the foam. Just 1 pump is what I applied so far. After I apply product, I go ahead and brush it again, just to make sure I have enough product. And you'll know you have enough when all of your hair is really tang, you don't see a lot of frizziness. So now that I have the foam applied and I've combed it all the way through, you want to make sure you keep it tight. Go ahead and twirl where the clacker is. Girl, I don't have about 9 names for it so far in this video. We only like 2 minutes in probably. After you have smoothed that around, you just want to take your finger on there and just make sure it's real smooth for it. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. Go ahead and smooth that around like that. Take your thumb, place it right here because you don't want that to unravel, okay? And then grab your hair and then just swirl it. Just like that, friend. Just like that. And then click it or tick it. Click it, tick it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do this all over my head.
What's going on here? What's going on right now? What is the problem? Tell me your problem. I said a lot, girl. Can't be with mine. Always been on what and I feel.
Okay, y'all, so I already started taking out my rods, but I'm gonna go ahead and take the rest. This is all the ones I've taken out. Just like a few in the back, friend. I was actually on live with y'all. Hi, guys. Found my dog. Sky's here. Anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and take my rods out. Yo, my curls are looking stretched AF. Look at that. Y'all shouldn't have got me back into, girl, you know how you think you got nails? Y'all shouldn't have got me back into this. Y'all just shouldn't have got me back into the Perm Rod Set gang. Y'all, this used to be me for real. Back in the day, I'll link some of my rod set videos, flexi and perm. I'll link them below so y'all can check out my old stuff, just so you can see how it looked when my hair was shorter, you know? Because sometimes when you see these styles and we already got long hair, it gets discouraging. It's like, dang, my hair ain't gonna come out like that. But friend, it really come out cute. Even on short hair. Oh, that's good. That's a good curl right there, friend. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and take all of these out, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys. All right, y'all, so I've already separated all of these curls and they look so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and separate the rest. I haven't put any oil on my hands, only because oil kind of makes my hair softer, and when I do that, my hairstyles don't last that long. Okay, as you can see, I don't think I needed to apply any oils to my hands, so I'm just separating them. So I just want to give y'all a close-up of how I separate. I've already separated all these. Looks so cute. So first, what you want to do, once you got your rod already out, you go ahead and tug on it and just see where it wants to separate, and then just let it separate. There you go. You got to pull on it though sometimes to see that. Can't see it just out the curl, you know. And then I'm just separating it where it wants to. But I will say your hair got to be dry, completely dry, for it to start to separate like that. Just take it, stretch it like that. Then you start to see where it wants to separate. And you can twirl it in the same direction that it was twisted. But sometimes you actually don't have to. You can just release it. I mean, most of the time you can just release it. But now if you do an extra one, it might extra coil it up, you know? So as you can see, those look better than possibly this one, because I twirled it the wrong way. So then you just want to twirl it the right way. And there you go. You start getting those little ringlets. All right, friend. So these are my results. They are so cute. Look at my curls, friends. Looks so good. I took them all out and I separated them so small. I am gonna stretch some of it because, girl, it's saying zut. I need this, you know, so I'm gonna stretch some. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna band it. I'm gonna do the unicorn method. So I got my 2 bands. So first you wanna just pull it all the way up like you're gonna pineapple it. Take your hair tie and just go over it and pull, cross it, flip, pull, cross. So you just want to do this all the way up like that. Now I did mine sloppy because I don't want to do it too much on the first day. So I'm gonna do my makeup and I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it looks like. All right, y'all, so I took out my bandit thingy. Whenever I see a gap or something, I'm just making sure I pick it up with the pick to give it a nice rounded look. My perm rod set has never looked this huge. And it's good, okay? Hello.
You can tell me.
This is the final look, you guys. I love it. It's so good. And all I used was the Kinky Curly Knot today, along with the Dew, the foam. This is a good foam, y'all. Definitely gonna check it out some more. But I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.